Hello everyone, in this lecture I'm going to take you to the general interface of Corel Draw. So let's get started. Alright, so we have the tools right here that you can see. These are the tools we have right here. Alright, I hope you can see it very well. So this is the pick tool, we have the shape tool, the crop tool, the zoom, we have the artistic media tool, and the others right here. This where we have the text tool, the polygonal tool, and then the ellipse tool, which is just like a circle. All right, we have the drop shadow tool, the transparency, the color eyedropper tool, interactive fill tool, and then this is the smart fill tool. When you come to the file here, these are the various menus we have. The file menu, and then we have new here, we have open and other things here, export, import, print, mesh, and other things here. All right, so when we come to edit, you see undo, redo, undo manager, we have the clone and other things as well. When you come to view, you see different kinds of view right here, the layout, the same things, the insert number and other things. When you come to objects, you can see power clip right here. Come to effects, adjust, and other things. Alright, because we don't have anything on board selected, that is why the other things here are not active. Alright, so when you come to text, you can draw cap, bulletin, and other things, columns, and so many things. When you come to tools, we have macro that we'll be using to generate our calendar. All right, so don't bother about how people got to know the days or how they come about with calendar design. It is so simple. We just have to generate it by using the macro here. When you come to window, we have other things here. The welcome, it is our title name for the document we have here. All right, so when you come to the tools here, also you see the orientation we have right here. This is the landscape, this landscape rather, and this the portrait. Okay, so let's see, in Corel Draw we have several pages. You can add as many pages you want. So when you are on this, it means that you can have different pages. All right, as in different sizes. You can have A4, and then your next page can be A5, your next page can be A3, in that order when you are on this current page here. And when you come to all pages here, it means that all your pages, when you have 10 pages right in Corel Draw, you are going to have them equally, which means that when page 1 is A4, page 2 follow with A4 again, page 3 to be A4, and that is how it will be. All right, so that is basically about the general interface. And then when you come here, you see the color palette. All right, so we have the RGB palette and then the default palette. So on your screen you might see just the default palette, and in our subsequent tutorials or lectures we are going to take care of how you can come up with several color palettes in your work. All right, and then this is the close that everybody knows, and then this is just the restore, and then it can also serve as the maximize, and then this the minimize, and this where you can create your account. All right, okay, so we have the full screen right here. Let's say you have something on board and then you want to see it clear, you just click on it and then you see it right here. Okay, so that is basically about the interface, the general interface of Corel Draw. So in the next lecture we'll start working with the various and the most important ones right here. All right, so see you in the next lecture.